All the reviews on Reddit were terrible, but I bought it anyway. I work hard for a living. I deserve this. Like my old man always said, kid, you can buy all the Pokemon cards you want when you're a grown man. Look at me now, look at me now. We're gonna crack open this bad boy and see if there's any goodies in here. Do the intro.
Are you ready?
Let's get ready to rumble! What do you think of that? Okay guys, what we got here today is a super premium collection Charizard EX box that's a GameStop exclusive. The reviews for this thing were pretty poor, but it comes with 3 promo cards, this Charizard figurine, and 10 booster packs. So I really feel like it's not that bad of a deal for the price. It was about 80 bucks. And so yeah. You know, I'm not too crazy on these promo cards here. However, the figurine is what sold me here. Alright guys, without further ado, we're gonna dig into this box. Oh yeah, baby. We really didn't make out too bad here. We got 2 of each: Paradox Rift, Stellar Crown, Twilight Masquerade, Obsidian Flames, and Temporal Forces. So each of those sets have their own really good cards that I would be excited to pull. And I think we're going to start off with one Paradox Rift. Paradox Rift. Yeah, you know, I don't think I have opened any Paradox Rift recently. In recent memory, I can't. But we're going to see what kind of goodies we could find here in Paradox Rift. Nimble, Elekid. Whoa. Okay. Nicket. Boom. I cannot pronounce that name to save my life, but that is a really cool full art card. One more card. Basic Energy. Ding dong. That's definitely a pull. Cool looking card. I love that blue there. So, we're moving right along here. First pack, first pull. Just for the sake of randomness, I guess we're going to pick Temporal Forces next. And I have opened some Temporal Forces. Off the top of my head, I couldn't tell you exactly which card I would like to see out of there. But we're just excited to open Pokemon cards here. I mean, how do you not love that Charizard figure with that Charizard box? I was sold. Ooh, that is such a cool looking card. Ooh, dang it.
Don't be afraid to put more jokes in.
I know, I just can't, I can't think of them.
Yourself for those funny sounds. What?
It's not recording. Oh wait, it is, it is. Oh, it's blinking. Oh. It wasn't blinking for a second. I was like, it's not recording. It would have been disastrous. Okay. This is kind of cool. Just switching it up. Obsidian Flames, here we go. Yeah, we just did a pack opening of Obsidian Flames, and it went rather well. That was that Pokemon vending machine video I did. You should go check it out if you haven't already. We like Obsidian Flames here. I know a lot of people don't, but I'm a big fan. Hoping to get that Charizard EX would be super sick. Come on. Ooh, I think might see a good card. Nope. Thunderous again. You can't win them all, guys. Try as we may, you can't win them all. Well, that's okay. We're just super excited to be opening Pokemon cards here on the SlowBro Show. And I'm super stoked you're still with me. Moving right along here, we'll go ahead with this Stellar Crown. Stellar Crown, the newest set. Really hoping to pull the Terapagos, not gonna lie. I do like that card. It's been growing on me. Okay. That card's really growing on me, and I hope it's in here. Palmy, Fanrodom, Diacy, I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm not even going to try anymore. Come on. Ooh, that is such a cool card. I like how they're going with this kind of food theme. It's kind of making me hungry, not going to lie. But that ain't no Terapagos EX, I'll tell you that. Alright, so we're all about halfway there with Twilight Masquerade. Hoping to get that Greninja EX. Dude. Gonna find out if Greninja's in here. Come on, baby. Only one pull so far. We're hoping to up that luck. See if Twilight Masquerade has it for us. Boom! Lucian! Lucian? Heck yeah. We wanted that card. That Ding Dong! Such a cool card. I actually have this card in Japanese, and I was really hoping to get it in English, so this is a win for us, for sure. There's still some hope left for this Charizard box. I don't know, you know. I'm pretty happy so far, I'd say. Don't count us out yet. Moving right along, we're going to go back to Stellar Crown here, because I'm telling you, I really want that Terapagos now. You know, I've seen a few channels pull it, and it's a cool looking card. It's nice on the eyes. It does things in my brain with my dopamine receptors and all that. So we're going to hope that Terapagos is in here. Come on, baby. Joltik. Turtonator. Come on. Toadscruel. Ah. Dang it. Alright, moving right along here. And we're not doing too bad. How about we give Paradox Rift another shot? Paradox Rift. You know, I might even get a ETB of Paradox Rift. It really, it's kind of growing on me. Porygon, one of my favorite Pokemon. Love Porygon. Seadra. Ooh yeah, we're getting some nice looking cards. Look at how cool of a card that is. Technical Machine Blindside, not so cool. Swablu. Come on, Wu Chen. Dang. The energy behind him. Cool looking card though, like Wu Chen. The slug thing. Cool card, cool character. Alright guys, I don't know about you, but guess I'm feeling Temporal Forces. Here we go. It's always a good day when you're opening Pokemon cards, I might say so myself. Deerling. Okie dokie. Come on. Metagross. Iron Thorns. So cool with the boulders in the background. Looks like he's stomping the ground or something. Oh, come on. Dang it. Still a cool card. No pulls, but that's okay. Man, I don't know about you guys, but I'm having a blast opening this Charizard box. And we're almost done here. Gonna check out Twilight Masquerade and see if we can get another dinger out of here. All right. Come on. Good things. Good things come to those who wait. And here we go. Come on, baby. Belly Bolt Hassle. Is that how you say it right? Hassle? Poliwrath. Ooh, yeah. Come on. Zapdos. Always happy to see Zapdos. One of the OG legendary Pokemon. So sick. Probably going to add that to my binder. Might not be like a full art card, guys, or an illustration rare, but I am totally adding it to the pull list here. Okay, guys. As is tradition with the final pack, we are in boss battle mode. Ding dong, we have saved the best for last. Obsidian Flames, nonetheless. We want big things out of Obsidian Flames. Sleeper set, in my opinion. We're just digging right into here. We're fighting a boss. Boom. Energy card, Toadstool. Here we go, guys. Thank you for watching. Cleffa, come on. Charmeleon. Come on, we're getting beat up in here. Dun, dun, dun. Dang it. Man, we have succumbed yet to another boss. No hit in the final boss pack, but you know what, guys? That's okay. We made it out perfectly fine. We got this Charizard figurine, all the promo cards, Zapdos, Lucian. Hope I said that right. Either way, this was a fun box to open, guys, and in my opinion, totally worth the 80 bucks. I had a ton of fun opening this, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. So, for now, that's all I have for you. We'll see you in the next video. See ya.